We got I think we got a big owl. Oh, there he is. There he is.
Yep.
Oh.
Gathering wood, going for a scooter ride. Stopped because I saw some wood and saw a big owl. I'm so excited. Awesome. And scored some wood. To beat.
Just hit some 2 owls fly away.
Exciting.
Yeah, that's really exciting. Now I'm getting eaten by mosquitoes.